Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making a delicious blueberry crumble, great as a dessert or just as a snack. Here are all the ingredients. For the filling we need blueberries, cornstarch, lemon or lime, salt, flour, sugar, vanilla or almond extract and cinnamon. For the crumble we need salt, baking powder, lime or lemon, butter, flour, brown sugar and almond shavings. Throw all the blueberries in a nice big bowl and add in the flour. I use frozen berries and that's why I also use some cornstarch to bind all the juice from the berries. If you use fresh berries you can skip this step. Also add the sugar, cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of almond extract. A good tip is to roll the lime before squeezing it so the juice comes out more easily. Now add the juice of half a lime to the blueberries. Toss everything together and make sure all the blueberries are coated with the sugar and flour and whatever we just threw in. If that's done, put everything in a low baking tin. Put it aside for now, we get back to it in a minute. Now we get to work on the crumble. So in a large bowl throw in the brown sugar, flour, some salt, baking powder and the cold butter. Give the mixture a good massage, just like you would give your boyfriend or girlfriend. So not too hard but with a bit of finesse. If it looks good, add the almond shavings and mix it once again. You understand what we're going to do next, and yes, you're correct. So throw the crumble onto the blueberries we just prepared. Bake this for 30 to 40 minutes in an oven at 190 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, you can clean up the mess you've made and check out your dog. After the baking time, remove it from the oven and enjoy it immediately. You can also let it cool, but make sure you enjoy it. And that's it! So grab a spoon and bam! Put it on your plate. But make sure to enjoy it. Yeah, but I know you will. But as always, I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button and let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And of course, I see you in the next video.